Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the SMPTE Slave in autofire mode. First, choose your script table and the data table mode. In this example, I will choose 0. After that, you have to plug in your network cable. Now, go to autofire mode and turn the key to the fire position if it is safe to do so. In the autofire mode, choose SMPTE Slave. You also have to choose the correct SMPTE format. These SMPTE formats are true in time, so there is no further clarification needed. But that's not true for the two remaining formats. These formats run slightly slower than their transmitted time. In order to compensate this delay, the field controller needs to know if it should compensate from absolute 0 or relative to the time the timecode is started. Hold the Enable button and press Fire. Your field controller will now be in wait code. You can start your timecode now. If the incoming timecode is valid, the indicator will turn purple, and the synchronization status shown in a display will switch to in sync. If the actual SMPTE format is not known, you can use the timecode mode to analyze the incoming SMPTE format. Just go to Timecode and SMPTE. The format will be displayed in the upper left-hand corner. For more detailed information about the SMPTE, please don't hesitate to contact us directly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!